So just like we did in identities, now you've got these three new log laws. You want to look if you have the right side of one of these or the left side, and I have them up here on the wall as well. If you have the right side, you can change to the left side. If you have left side, you can change to the right side. So you kind of have to have them memorized in order to be able to recognize things. So in the first expression, I have a log plus a log. Remember when the base is not written, we'd assume that there's a little 10 right inside there.
If we could please now have our second half of grade 10 students, last name starting with the letter N through to the letter Z. If you could please make your way to the cafeteria. Thank you.
Now on the wall I have this formula. And the page back they used X and Y. And we have the right side of this formula here. We have a log 7 plus a log 8. Both of the bases are 10. They have to be the same. Just like when you do exponent laws, the bases have to be the same. So we have log 7 plus log 8. So according to the rule, we can write that as log of 56. Because 7 times 8 is 56. So what you're looking for is when does this match up with one of my log laws? And then I can change it. And I can write it as a single log. And that's often how the instructions will be. They'll say, can you write it as a single logarithm? And right now in the question, it's not considered a single logarithm because you're adding two of them. Same thing in B. B would not be written as a single logarithm because you have 5 log 2's, and I just want 1 log. So a number out in front, there's a log law that says whenever that number's out in front, you can move it inside the brackets as an exponent. So that 5 that's out in front goes inside as an exponent of 5, and this is the same as log of 32. And part of the reason that works is because if you had 5 log 2's as log of 2 plus log of 2 plus log of 2 plus log of 2 plus log of 2, this is just the adding a bunch of times. And every time you add, you multiply. So that's the reason why this law works. It's just based on the product law as well. And the last one, log 80 minus 16, log 16. Will just be equal to log 80 over 16. Both those can be divided by, that actually works out to be log of 5. And so the questions you can do are number 4 and 12 for this one. So far, so good.